from Rajasthan, 3 each from Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, 2 each from Delhi, West Bengal and Gujarat, and 1 each. "24 candidates secured a perfect 100 in the engineering entrance J main, the results of which were announced by the National Testing Agency on Saturday. 7 toppers are from Rajasthan, 3 each from Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, 2 each from Delhi, West Bengal and Gujarat, and 1 each from Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. 2 of the toppers are women. While 21 top-scoring candidates are from the general category, the list includes 1 candidate each from the scheduled caste, SC, scheduled tribe, ST, and the other backward classes, OBC, categories. More than 9.92 lakh candidates had appeared for the second edition of the crucial exam. In the first edition, 10.61 lakh candidates appeared. According to National Testing Agency, NTA, officials, NTA scores are not the same as the percentage of marks obtained but normalized scores. NTA scores are normalized scores across multi-session papers and are based on the relative performance of all those who appeared for the examination in one session, a senior official explained. The marks obtained are converted into a scale ranging from 100 to 0 for each session of examinees, the official added. Based on the results of J main, Paper 1 and Paper 2, the candidates will be shortlisted to appear for J Advance, which is a one-stop exam for admission to the 23 premier Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs. For those candidates who appeared in both sessions of the examination, the best NTA score of both the sessions has been declared, the official said. The examination was conducted in 13 languages: Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. The second edition of J main was conducted at 531 unique examination centers in 300 cities, including 15 outside India in Manama, Bahrain, Doha City, Qatar, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi and Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Muscat, Oman, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Kuwait City, Kuwait, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kathmandu, Nepal, West Java, Indonesia, Washington, US, Lagos, Nigeria, and Munich, Germany. In the first edition, the NTA scores of 39 candidates were not declared as they were found to have indulged in unfair practices. During the second edition, 110 candidates were found to be involved in unfair means, including forgery of documents related to the examination, and consequently, their results were not declared. Besides these candidates, the results of 23 candidates have been withheld due to discrepancies in their photographs, biometric details or other personal information for identity verification. These candidates have been asked to provide a valid proof of their photographs duly attested by a gazetted officer to the NTA within a specified date for their results to be declared, the senior NTA official said.